Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this Tesla style screen special for Nissan Maxima 2016 to 2019 years. Okay, let me unbox the review. Okay, you can check how do you need. Okay, this Tesla style screen and harness. Okay, let me show harness it first. Okay, you can check this special harness with canvas box. This canvas adapter Maxima canvas decoder. Okay, and this is radio antenna. Okay, this power cable. Maxima power cable, 16 years to 19 years. Okay, this is for backup camera. This connector and AUX input, audio speaker, factory back camera and speaker, AUX input. Okay, and this connector. Okay, this is harness, and it comes with original USB. This original USB. And GPS antenna. This is camera input. This camera in, it connects to back of head unit. And this USB cable, long cable to USB cable and external microphone. Okay, this is audio cable. And this subwoofer, RC type, and this is audio out front and rear, left and right. Okay, this AUX input cable. This AUX input left and right, and this video input. Okay, this is original. And let me show how do we need. Okay, you can check this screen front and the side. You can check side. Okay, now we check the back. You can check this GPS, this power, this fuse, and this connector for USB and audio cable, AUX cable, camera cable, and other connection. This Wi-Fi is a radio antenna. Okay. Let me power with 12 voltage. The unit will start Maxima. Sorry, it's reserve. Let me find something. Okay, you can check header unit turn on. Let me adjust the camera. Okay, you can check this Tesla style screen and this front panel, PS touch screen. Okay. Let me show it. You can check this front panel, this home button, back button, volume, and power. This is AC information. This will show the original AC control. Okay, this is next and off, Bluetooth play, and this radio band. This radio, and this original car information. Okay, it's home. Time you can set it, and this navigation, this radio, music. You can play music, USB, SD card. Sorry, this header unit doesn't have the SD card. You can play USB, there are two USB, and Bluetooth device search. You can connect phone book and make a phone call. This movie video disabled for your safety, so you need to set it in the settings. And this mirror link, easy connection for mirror link, Android USB, Android Wi-Fi, iPhone Wi-Fi, and this AUX and settings. You can check language. It's an amplifier, is adjust brightness. User setting. Split screen support. And the touch tone you can turn on or turn off by this setting. ACC volume, speed, and other settings you can check. With steering wheel control, you can set the steering buttons on this steering wheel control settings. System info, you can check this RAM 4GB, ROM 32GB, Android 9 Pie system, PX6 Tesla screen. This reset install, and this radio you can select the North America. Touch key, set boot logo. Okay, other more settings you can change it. Built-in Wi-Fi, and the system you can check Android language. About tablet, PX6, Android 9 Pie system. Okay, this settings, all apps are here. It's built in Google Play Store, built-in Maps, Google Maps. You can download the application from Play Store, and this file manage. Okay, that's all. And you can set the settings. User setting, you can set the brake detects off the detect brake. Then you can play video. PRP screen. Okay, that's all. If you have any more questions, please contact to us. You can visit our website belsee.com to contact to us. Okay, that's all. Thank you.